Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show with Outdoor Home. I'm Kenny, and today we're cooking prime rib on the Big Green Egg. So we've got a 6-pound prime rib roast here. We've actually had it cut and tied. What that means is they've actually taken the bones off and then you tie it back on. You'll see how this is going to help once we get done with the finished product. So start by seasoning. I'm going to put a little olive oil on here. We just want to make sure that we get something for the seasoning to stick to. Today I'm actually using one of my favorite seasonings. It's made just for prime rib, made by Spiceology. Of course, we have this in the store. One of the nice things we've talked about on the segments is you can also sample any of our seasonings, over 100 of them to choose from, and you can try it in the store. You can even buy a couple ounces at a time instead of committing to the whole jar, but you will love this stuff, I promise you. So you want quite a bit. I'm just going to start seasoning the roast here. And I like to make sure and kind of pat it to make sure it sticks. All sides. All right, now that we've got it seasoned, I'm just going to place it in my rack. What I've got here is a roasting rack. It can also be used upside down for ribs, but today, just in a drip pan. I'm going to just place this right in the middle. Just going to add some beef broth, just so our drippings don't scorch in the pan. We've got our egg at 325 degrees. We're ready to put our roast on. So I'm just going to set this. I'm going to leave room for the rest of the ingredients here later. I'm also going to take and put a probe so we can monitor our temperature remotely. This is a pretty neat gadget here. I use this all the time. I'm showing the actual internal temperature of the roast that we just put on. It's going to take it about an hour and a half to get to the 125 degrees that we want. So this is totally separate. I can get within 200 feet of the Big Green Egg with this, so I'm going to take this inside and relax. All right. So we mentioned we wanted to get to 125. There we go. We're showing 126, which means we're ready to eat, or the prime rib is ready to come off. Let's take a peek. Rib roast looks outstanding. We've got some au jus, mashed potatoes. We threw some broccoli in there for roasted broccoli to complete the meal. We're going to pull this off. I'm going to remove this and then just grab our roast. We'll set that and let that cool for just about 5 minutes. It's now time. Our roast is rested. I've taken the strings off, so we're just going to set this out of the way and we'll start carving here. If you'd like to try this recipe at home, go to ky3.com for a recipe, or you can stop by the store at Outdoor Home in Nixa for a printed copy.